Hi, my name is Brian James. Now, for over 50 years I've been a photographer. I've enjoyed taking photographs throughout that time since I was a small boy. In this series I'm going to try and share some of the hints and tips that I was given by the masters of the art at that time to try and give you a start in photography. This series is aimed at the beginner. It's aimed at those who are just getting the camera for the first time, maybe never used a camera before or only used a mobile phone. Join me, I'll try and get through some of the jargon, try and get through some of the mystique of photography and make your journey an enjoyable one and a productive one to take great creative photographs. Hi and welcome to this edition of Photography for Beginners. One of the things I was taught by the experts in the very early days for me was don't be afraid to use your feet. As photographers, we tend to get rooted to the spot. We'll pick up our camera, we'll see what we have to see in front of us, we'll stand there. If we've got a zoom, we'll start zooming in and out until it fills the frame, and we'll not get necessarily the best shot of it. We become static, we become in one place, and we forget to move. But it could be a case of just moving a few inches either side can change the whole view of the shot. Now I'm looking at a camera in front of me, and all I can see is a big circle, a big round circle for the lens. If I move just to one side, I've got a nice 3D view of that camera and I can see down the lens. Same for this side. Now if I was looking at a subject in front of me, the subject itself, the subject matter is important, but what's around it, the background and the foreground are just as important. And sometimes just a little movement side to side can make a big difference. Or if you go further away or come closer into it, that alters how the perspective of the shot is. So rather than just using the zoom, use your feet, move around. When you see a shot, take a photograph of it, but maybe go off to one side and take a second one or a third one. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything more for this because we're not using film on these cameras. Or if you are using film, then alter your shot in your eye before you actually take the photograph to see which one looks best. But don't be afraid to use your feet. It's one of the big problems most photographers do in the early days. They forget to move their feet. And as you're moving your feet, don't be afraid to move your body up and down too. Get a low level shot. It might look better looking up at something, or you might find it's better looking down on it. Don't be afraid to move. Use your body, use your eyes, rather than getting the camera to rely on just getting that straight on shot. Now if you've enjoyed this video, keep on watching for other videos in this series. My name is Brian James. If you have enjoyed it, there's a little PayPal link below. You can leave me a cup of coffee. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up because it gets YouTube's algorithms to spread this more and more to more and more people. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, tick the all to get notifications every time there's a new video uploaded. Until the next time, enjoy your photography. Bye bye.